Okay, you've created this really cool PowerPoint presentation and you like the design, but you've been asked to convert the slides to the conference default template. There are times when you'll have to apply a new template to an existing presentation to change its design. And here's how you do it. We're going to take this design and apply it to this new conference template. The first thing you'll want to do is open the presentation whose design you want to use. On the File tab, click Save As in the dialog box. Choose PowerPoint Template. Now open your existing presentation and in the Design tab, expand the Themes gallery and click the Browse for Themes option at the bottom. Navigate to where the template is located and select it and click the Apply button. Now all your slides will adopt the new look and formatting prescribed in the template. You will sometimes need to make some adjustments. So it's a good idea to review the presentations to make sure that nothing has been drastically affected. And now you have your PowerPoint in the prescribed format.